How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix this error. So let's just dive right into the video. So if you're seeing this kind of message, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account, it means you are likely using a third-party application, which is like WhatsApp, like GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Plus. So you need to switch up to the WhatsApp, which is official one. So for that, you need to go ahead. If you're on your Android, you can head over to Play Store, and from here, go to the search bar and go ahead and download the WhatsApp, which is the official one, which is this WhatsApp Messenger. Just go ahead and download this one. So you need to install that third-party WhatsApp. And once you are done, you can just log in into your account using your phone number, and just like that. That is how you can fix the official WhatsApp you need to use in order to access this account. So for now, this is the method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.